Okay, hello guys, welcome back in my garage. So today the idea replace the front bumper grille, and in this model car, this is a C350E, is a little problem because we have to remove the whole bumper, so that's not too easy, but possible. First step, we have to remove the 1, 2, 3 clips, and under these clips you have the one bolt here and another bolt deeper there. It's not too easy. Yeah, for 10 spanner. The other side is exactly the same, just like that. And now on the bottom we have to remove it, the 8 socket bolt like that. Next this cover, and next another cover. Yeah. And then under the bumper you see the screw for the 10 like that for both sides. Just careful because here is the ambient temperature sensor, so outside temperature sensor, simply name. Yeah, and another bolt here, and that is the point to remove the bumper. Okay, just don't forget to unlock this one. That's the cable for the one side, and that should be okay. Careful with this because this is the airbag system, so don't squash this or don't do anything. Alright, so let's go. Okay, so if you want to remove this, you have to just unlock actually. This one is in this hole. This one is here, and another few for other side is exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, and then you have to leave it like that. But don't forget, first disconnect the line, and don't forget switch off the ignition, of course. And then we have to remove this panel. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you want to unlock this, first you have to push this down, and next you have to push this element, push in. But this one is locked by this one. So really not too easy, but it's possible to do. Use the really small screwdriver, and then we have to try to remove it, unlock it, all these pieces. I need the 2 hands, so I can't show you actually. And don't forget about the camera, because the camera must be swapped to the new grill. So, not too easy, guys. So camera looks like that. Was fitted here. Two screws. Like that. Okay, so then I try moving out, unclip the all around the white thing. I try don't damage anything. So the next surprise, first you have to remove it. You have to remove the holder as well, like that, and fit it in the new place. Maybe not. Okay, we see. Now maybe we have to use the brackets. What was clean with? We see. Okay, so that looks like we have to swap this cover. Is fitted on the clip here, clip here, and we have to swap for the cover what was with the grill. Okay, we see. After cleaning this element on the top, the silver one, talk about this one, and clean on the bottom, that will be easier possible to hold it for the new brackets. Okay, so in the camera with the new holder, it's really nice going in to the correct place in the new grill, like should be. But it's difficult to change it. Very, very careful what you're doing. So the two pieces, this one and this one, must be out, and you have to fit the holder what was fitted, what coming with the grill. Okay, so grill is pop out. Believe me, that was not easy, because you have the one clicks here and another here, and so that's really different. Okay, time to click on the new one. The stars, if you want to replace, just you have to catch it here and turn for the left side and remove it. That's easy. Okay, we see how we will put back it. Don't forget about the clips. Here, here, here. That's always difficult, and this one as well. And more problems is like one, this, and that one as well. So, alright, we see. One place like that, without. Let's go. Okay, so all clips is locked in. That was not easy. All around. So I have to really hard press inside, so just careful, don't scratch the bumper on there. All this must be click on, and then this one must be click out. Difficult was actually this one and the corners as well. It's not too easy, not too easy. Must be really click in. This one is not yet like should be, so this white must be more outside, so I have to push down like this one. This one is okay. So hard to do. The best idea how to check it, you have to check the gap actually here. Can be see like unlocked clips. Like the gap here is too big between this and this. That means you have to push down, and all around can be too big gap between. Difficult, but possible to do. You see, this is like unlocked. Here can be like that. You have to press more actually on this one. Will be nice. Okay, so now it's time to put back the cover. Same, click in for the same place, like here, all around, and then put back the airbag bar. Okay, so this bar is back. Don't forget, don't squash this, because this is for the pressure. Don't check this how working is. Clip here inside. Must be done. This one, this one, this one, this one. Alright, so looks like okay now. Alright, so now it's time to put back the camera. On the top, I didn't show you before, is the one screw there, one here, here. This is the plug-in for the camera. That's the camera plug-in. Another one, and then one actually inside. Two corners, 1, 2 bolt under. This side as well, 1 and 2 screw, it will be tight. Few clips here, and don't forget under the bottom. Looks very well. Be careful, because actually here there is the adjustment system, and there is the few clicks. Working like that. So now you see we have the few clicks here, so that's depend how we want this moving up on the inside or outside. That you have to careful how was. I actually will be fitted for the same place like it was before. So that's just the three things are exactly the same. See actually here how many clicks is here. You can go in or out. That's handy. Actually here. One here. If you go another side, is another here. That's, you see how it's moving the bumper. And then we have to click the plastic. Handy. last element. We see the two places for the two screws, so that's important. We can't miss it. And the few plastics here actually, and almost done. Alright, so clips is done. Both sides is exactly the same. 1, 2, there is 3, and on the bottom we have another one. So actually job done. The grill looks amazing. Okay guys, so it looks like the job is done. It's a little difficult, so if you don't have any practice which remove it something like that, better drop the car to some garage, because that's easy. Make damage the airbag system or the sensor light system, and we have the camera as well. But now we know for what you will be paid if you drop the car into the mechanic. Alright guys, so happy weekend and good luck.
3, 2, 1, drop it.